Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will be visiting NEORA jungle camp near Gurumara. Hope you will like it. We went there by bike. Just after entering we came across a beautiful peacock. And trust me guys, there was lots of peacocks, lots and lots of peacocks. It's the main entrance and that's the cottage. It's the main campus area, and after that you can see the main buildings. That's the dining area and it's the main watchtower. Every Gurumara safari stops here and enjoy this beautiful scenery. And that's the main attraction. If you are thinking to book the room, then sorry, it's only for VIP. Let's go to the watchtower now. From here you can see every angle. It's a beautiful one. That's the main road we came. We even saw one peacock just beside the pond. Let's come to the dining space now. Can you hear the keka sounds of the peacocks? Let's go to our room now. It's small, but you will get everything you need there. You need to book the rooms from West Bengal Forest Development Corporation. It's quite clean, in fact very much clean, and you even have geyser. Back door of our room, and you can see all the forest area, and just beside that is the NEORA river. And that's the main hotel room. Thank you guys. See you soon with another video. Bye. It was a wonderful journey. Do visit there. Thank you, and please hit the thumb if you like the video. Thank you. See you soon.